The deadline to sign up for health insurance under the Affordable Care Act is less than 3 weeks away. If you still need to sign up, Channel 4 is here to help. We're hosting a phone bank with local experts who are here to answer your questions about health insurance. Rob is there with them now. Rob.
Well, Joy, the people you see behind me were with the Health and Human Services, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. They'll be taking your calls until 7 o'clock tonight. And, of course, you can chat with them online at news4jax.com. Well, joining me now is April Washington. April, come on in here. Let me ask you a couple of questions. You heard Joy say that, we've got 3 weeks. You know, the deadline is 3 weeks away. Any idea, or do you have a handle on why it's taking some people so long to sign up?
I think, we're seeing what we've seen in other healthcare markets and other healthcare plans that people wait to the last minute, particularly the young and invincible. They tend to wait it to the last minute in Massachusetts, and it's sort of the similar pattern that we saw with Medicare Part D. That most people want to take their time to figure out the plans, and they're not quite sure, and we are still educating people about the Affordable Care Act and about the healthcare marketplace as well.
Well, speaking of the marketplace, how difficult is it to sign up? I mean, it can't be that hard.
It's not hard at all right now. I mean, our website is working wonderful right now. We've got people signing up in less than a half an hour, up to 45 minutes. So our error rates are way down, like, 0.5%. So where the pages are flipping from one to the next. So we're having a great roll.
And I don't know if you answered any phones, or what kind of questions are you getting?
We got a lot of questions regarding about the plans themselves. What kind of plans do you offer in the marketplace? What type of benefits? They have the 10 essential health benefits that provide ambulance care, hospitalization, prescription drug care, maternity care, and so forth. So we're getting a lot of questions about that. We also got questions about can they be denied for pre-existing conditions. And as the Affordable Care Act, you can no longer be denied for pre-existing conditions. You can't be discriminated because you're a woman and be charged higher rates. So those were some of the issues, some of the concerns people had.
All right. April Washington with Health and Human Services. Thank you very much, April. And just want to remind you here, the phone bank is open until 7 o'clock tonight. The number to call is right there on your screen. And here's a reminder. If you are not signed up for health insurance by March 31st, you could face a financial penalty from the IRS. And you don't want to be able to buy health insurance. You can't buy it until the next open enrollment period. That's November 15th.